Thank you for your purchase on Bunny Rabbit Car. This car comes with stylish design, strong body base, a beautiful rabbit face which make it look really interesting. This car is very easy to assemble while following some simple steps. You can assemble this cycle by using these parts. In step 1, take the main body and insert rear wheels to the main body. Please fix them by using provided screws. In the next step, place the front toy to the main body. It is very easy to lock it just by pressing by hand. Provide locks. Now insert steering wheel rod through the body and attache the front wheel with foam tube. It's time to cover steering rod to the main body by using foam tube. In the next step, place 2 AA batteries to activate music. Now insert the steering to the steering wheel rod, lock the same by using war shell and nut in place. Place steering wheel cap to the steering wheel. In the last step, place backrest to the main body. Your beautiful Dash Bunny Rabbit car is now ready to use. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.